You're watching PTV.
Lion One Metals, a Canadian resource company, is on the threshold of becoming the next high-grade gold producer in the South Pacific. With near-surface mining underway, a processing plant and mill recently completed, and the first gold pour around the corner, Lion One is hoping to be the next Fijian success story.
The thing that I'm excited about, and I've said this a year and a half ago, that we're going to surprise the industry with this mine. The original plan was to build the 500 ton per day plant in mid-2025, but we've accelerated that to 2024. The project is moving along so well that there's no reason for the delay. To be where we're at right now, make this first gold pour, it's an acknowledgement that you've defined the ore body, you've built a process that can work, and that you can actually get the gold out of the rock.
It's very exciting to see a brand new mine like this go in. This has to be one of the highest grade development projects in the junior mining space on planet Earth right now.
We are sitting in one of the most prolific areas in the world, on one of the richest discoveries in the world.
Lion One has already begun pilot mining at Tuvatu, a narrow vein deposit that's part of the 7-kilometer diameter caldera. The 300 tons per day starter mine is on schedule to be operational by the end of 2023, with true production commencing when the mine is ramped up to 500 tons per day.
So they're basically mining along these veins, which gives them the first real picture of the continuity, but also a clear picture of the grade. And the results are remarkable to date. I'm seeing numbers that are maybe 20-30% higher than was forecast by the initial resource modeling that was done. Small, narrow vein mines are always a challenge, but seeing it deliver like this is very comforting.
With early mining in full swing at Tuvatu, Lion One is building a stockpile.
We're pulling gold out of the ground every day now and putting it on the stockpile. We want to expand it and increase the reserve.
Okay, so this is our high-grade stockpile. Here you go. You see gold all the way through.
It's very hard to walk on the project without finding gold. It's just there.
While sitting on a world-class gold deposit is one piece of the puzzle, COO Patrick Hickey is ensuring that every other element of the Lion One's operations, excellent infrastructure, full control of the local supply chain, to the advantageous Fijian climate, is putting the company in a position to succeed.
We started the construction late last year, but at the same time we were doing the foundations, we were investing in all of our infrastructure, all of our buildings, all of our workshops, the communications, the water services, air services, supply chain. So all those things that go around a mine that people tend to put off until the last day, right? Until they start up the mine, then they start thinking about those things. And that's what I think we've done that's different than what even the majors have a problem with this sometimes. They just don't get the infrastructure in place early on. Everybody has an office or a place to work, and everybody can focus on developing the mine.
This concept around how they're approaching this, very, very well thought out. You know, I think over the next year or two, as the data comes in, as the mine kind of proves itself, you'll see Lion One really catch fire.
People didn't think we could pull this off, and we have. And that's really what I'm excited about, is just getting over this hump of getting this first gold pour, and then finding other ore bodies in the caldera and really turning this into another 80-year mine.
I believe we'll be at least in the top 3 or 4 high-grade mines in the world. There's many opportunities out there in the gold market, but none like Lion One.
With Lion One's first major gold pour coming later this year, follow along their progress at liononemetals.com.